Hi, I am Mariel from 10 Quezon and I will demonstrate how to use the carpentry tools. But before we start, what is carpentry? Carpentry is a skilled trade and the craft in which the primary work performed is the cutting, shaping, and installation of building materials during the construction of buildings, ships, timber bridges, concrete, formwork, etc. We have only 3 tools here, hammer, chisel, and handsaw. And also, I prepare nail because we need it later. So, let us start! First, I'm going to show you how to use hammer. Hold the hammer, grab it near the end of its handle, and swing it loosely in your hand. And carefully do the process. Next is chisel. Chisel is used for shaping a wood. Strike the chisel with a hammer or mallet and chop down about 1/2 inch. Last one is handsaw. Handsaw is using to cut a wood. Draw a straight line as your guide. And that's the process on how you will use the 3 given tools. Remember to be careful always when you are doing those works. That's all. Thank you for watching.